The market gives a fake out breakout and crashes back down. Is this the end of the bulls? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. So the market is pulling back in an expanded wave 4 flat correction. This is going to point us down to the 4145 to 4110 SPX region. Now we'll get to that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buying opportunities. All right, guys, so the market gave us a fake bull run up to 4240 before crashing back down yesterday below our support zone at the close. And as I look at the futures, it has followed through and is going to finish this C wave probably tomorrow, but maybe Wednesday. And it's pointing us down to the 4145, 4110 region, because as we know in corrections, A usually equals C. Okay, so A equals C puts us at 4145 SPX. And you can also get the 1.382 retracement, which puts us at 4110. So that's our support zone, is 4145 to 4110. Okay, so this will present us with a strong buying opportunity as the market has now more clearly laid out its parameters. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute SPX chart. Now this is going to get a little bit complex, but I'll walk you through it step by step, what happened and what we're expecting, and looking at our next buying opportunity that is coming up very soon. Okay, guys, so if you remember last week, I talked about two possible corrections we were in. The one you see on the chart here, A, B, C, and a deeper, bigger correction, okay, that was down here, A, and then an expanded wave 4, B, and then C. So at the time, it looked like we were in this smaller correction because we thought this was wave 1. We'll see that this is no longer wave 1 now because of the expanded wave 4 correction that we're in. So when we missed this target, you'll notice on all of the videos that since we missed this target, I reference the fact that we missed that target because it bothers me. It bothers me when Elliott Wave doesn't hit its target and we can't support the movement with fibs. It makes me feel like something's wrong. We went with it though because we bounced off support and then we started our rally, and this did look like a wave 3 rally. It looked really strong and it looked like what wave 3s are supposed to look like. But when it fizzled out on Friday, we decided to exit our trade, and that was a good idea, I guess, because we see that this correction is not over and it's going to crash down. As we see in the futures, it's down 20 points right now. It's going to crash down and create a buying opportunity down here at the C wave. So because of these changes, okay, we no longer need this box because we're not in wave 3 anymore. Okay, we're in a wave 4. And here is our old support. We blew through that. We'll leave that there because it's actually going to become important at some point. And we know that this correction is no longer important, so we can take that off the chart. Okay, so now we're in the correction that you see on the chart. Now we have to relabel our waves. We are no longer in wave 5 as we thought. We thought we were in wave 1. Okay, we thought this was wave 1 of 5. We thought this was wave 2 of 5. That is no longer the case. All right. Based on the structure we have been given now, we can take this 2 off the chart. We can take this 1 off the chart. And now this becomes the top of wave 3. Okay? So wave 3 of 5 had major extensions up to this point. And that's not totally uncommon. It is something that happens quite often in wave 3s. They're very powerful waves. We talk about that all the time. Then we get this wave 4 correction, okay, that will come down here. And as I talked about in the intro, our support is in the 41.5 range down to the 41.10 range. Okay, so when we come into this box, which it's looking like we're going to get there sooner than later, we're going to look for us to bottom and then start to bounce up out of here. And this creates our start of wave 1 of 5 of 3 of 5. Okay, so you remember wave 1 was over here. We haven't even started wave 1 yet. We had to move that because now we see that the structure has filled in more. So this became wave 3, all right? This big correction here is, let me give you some text down here to help you. Okay, this became wave 4. And now, once we get through this wave 4 and into this support zone, we're looking to buy here. We're looking for support to hold, looking for a bounce up, and then we're ready to get started with wave 1 of 5 of 3 of 5. And that is the challenge of Elliott Wave. We put our guesses on where the waves end, until we see more of the structure, and then we can go back and say, okay, this is where the wave ended based on the structure I was given. These are the targets I have. This is my new support zone and my new buying opportunity. Guys, this has proven to be very successful for us, and it will continue to be very successful for us as we move forward. So big buying opportunity here. We're waiting for the market to come down into this zone and bounce. It could happen as soon as tomorrow, so stay alert on the Slack channel. And guys, if you're watching for the first time and you want to know more about this, or you want to know when this buy is going to happen, join my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. The only requirements to join that group are you subscribe to this page, or this channel, and you like my Facebook page. And it's all free. Get in there. We have a Slack community that's also free where I put out the trade alerts and I communicate with you guys on a regular basis, tell you when the buy is coming out, when support has been hit, and we're happy with how it bounced, all of those things. Check out the Facebook group. Again, the link is in the description. All right, guys, so key takeaways for today. We're watching the rest of this crash down. It's, like I said, down 20 points in the futures as I speak. It should be heading down into the support box as soon as tomorrow, I'm guessing. And then we are looking for the bounce. Once we get that bounce, we're going to enter, and we're going to give ourselves two trading options. So the first trading option is the conservative trade, where we'll try to capture wave 1 and then sell there and then capture wave 3 when it starts. And then the other trade will be the more aggressive long-term trade, where we're trying to capture all 3 moves up and about 300 points of gain. Okay, so that will be on deck for tomorrow. Make sure you tune into the Facebook page to get those updates. Happy trading, guys. We will talk tomorrow.